going on, guys? This is a holiday special skate tutors. It's snowing out. Got Santa here. Decorations going. And yeah, it's snowing, so maybe we'll try to get some snow skate footage. And we'll get some skate footage. And maybe get some snowboard footage soon. Alright, sit back and enjoy the episode. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the snow skating, and we got a lot of snow coming up in the forecast, so get ready, hit like, get ready for the next couple of episodes of snow skating, and subscribe. And if you guys want to see more videos, snow skating videos, you can just click right over here in the box right here, just click there, and that'll be the next episode of Snow Skating Tutors, guys. Alright, enjoy the episodes.